I want to show you guys how to actually reset these, so make sure you stay locked into the end of the video. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. If you're new, if you're already a part of the crew, salute. All right guys, so you want to reset these. The first step that you want to do is basically unpair them from your device at the same time. So go ahead, disconnect them. And right now you're going to see that one light is on and one light is off, which is what you want them to look like. So let's hit forget. And now we cleared the Bluetooth connection altogether. So you can see this light is actually alternating, blinking. So the first thing, the way they get disconnected, I'm not sure how that happens, but the way that you can reset them is once they're actually disconnected from your device, you can actually tap one side 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I just heard a beep and then I saw this one blinking. Let's do that with the other side as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now they're both disconnected. There's no lights on whatsoever. So let's put them back in the case. And I'm going to take them out again right here. You can see that if I connect it right here and hit pair. Okay, they're connected to my device. Let's hit play. All right, so you can see they're playing, they're working. When they're working, both lights will remain off during the connection. So let's go ahead, disconnect them again. And hit forget. This time we're gonna tap on the earbud that's actually lit already, and 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so that's how you pretty much reset them. You hit the side of it 5 times and then the lights will turn off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now they're reset. So you can see there's no more light blinking on either side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see it won't do nothing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one doesn't do anything either. Now put them back inside of the case after you reset both headphones by tapping it 5 times. Then take them out. Same time again. Go ahead inside of your device right here. I just heard them connect. Will turn on. And now we're going to go ahead into our smartphone. Connect them right here. Hit pair. And they should be connected on both sides. So the lights are off, so that means they're connected on both sides. Let's put them in and let's play the track. Both sides are playing. So if you're having the issue of actually not being able to use these headphones, the first step is to disconnect them from your device and then tap on both sides 5 times to clear the Bluetooth connection. And then go ahead and pair them again and then you should be good to go. So just follow the steps in this video. Hopefully this video was helpful, but if you did find it helpful, make sure you hit the like button and show your support, and make sure you subscribe if that worked for you, and get notified for more videos just like this. And I'll hit you back. I'll check you guys later. Peace. Later, crew.